Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss in simple words and explanation what Aleo is, how it works, where it can be used and so on. I have never written this kind of video before, so this will be my first experience in creating a simple and clear video as possible about Aleo blockchain technology, so let's get started. So what Aleo is a platform that's designed to add an extra layer of privacy to the digital world. In simple words, think of Aleo as a magic lock that keeps your personal information hidden when you're doing things online. We all know how important privacy is, right? You wouldn't want everyone knowing your secret or peeking into your personal life. Aleo works to make sure that it doesn't happen. Aleo also is built to work with something called blockchain. Imagine blockchain as a super secure online notebook that everyone can see but no one can tamper with. Each page is this blockchain is a block and they are all linked together in a chain. Now blockchain is super cool, but it has one problem. It's kind of like an open book. Everyone can see what's written on it, and blockchain is different. This is where Aleo steps in. It uses a really clever math, stuff that even rocket scientists would find challenging, to make sure that no one can see your personal stuff even while it's stored in this open notebook. So how does Aleo work? Imagine you sending a letter to a friend. Normally anyone who sees the letter can read what you're written. Now let's say you have a special link that only you and your friend can see. You write the letter with that link, send it, and only your friend can read it. No one else has a clue about what you're writing, even if they have the letter in their hands. Aleo uses something like this special link. It's called zero knowledge proof. But it's simple. Zero knowledge proofs lets you prove something is true without revealing the thing itself. For example, let's say you want to prove you're old enough to watch a movie but don't want to show your actual age. Zero knowledge proofs would let you prove that you meet the age requirement without revealing your exact age. What can you do with Aleo? It can be online shopping. When you buy, for example, something online, you can use Aleo to keep your credit card and other personal info safe and hidden. Voting, for example, you know how important voting is, but maybe you don't want everyone knowing what you think. And also, Aleo can make sure your vote is counted but not seen. It can be medical records. Medical stuff is super private. Aleo ensures that only the doctors you trust can see your health information. And apps and games. If you're a computer person, you can even make apps and gaming using Aleo. This will automatically have the magic lock, keeping users' information safe. How safe is Aleo? Aleo uses a kind of math called cryptography. Cryptography is like creating secret codes that are super so to break. This isn't any math, it's math that's been studied and tested for years by really smart people, scientists, mathematics, and computer experts, to make sure it's as strong as possible. As mentioned earlier, one of Aleo's case features is zero knowledge proofs. These are designed so that you can show you know something or have something without giving the secret away. It's like having a magic box where you can show that there is something inside without opening the box. Because of this, your data remains secure and private even while being verified. Another reason Aleo is safe is because it's open source. This means that the code Aleo uses is open for anyone to look at and study. Why is this good? Well, hundreds or even thousands of experts can look at it, poke at it and test it to make sure that there are no holes or weaknesses. It's like having a car inspected by hundreds of mechanics instead of just one. If there is a problem, chances are someone will find it. Aleo uses function on a secure network for computers. These computers work together to check and double check the information, making sure it's accurate and untampered with. It's like having a team of security guards constantly watching to make sure no one's trying to break in. Technology changes fast, new ways to crack codes and hack systems are being developed all the time, that's why Aleo is always being updated and improved. The team behind it and community around it are continually working to make sure it stays as secure as possible. So, Aleo is like a privacy superhero for the digital world. It uses a smart mask and works with blockchains to keep your personal stuff hidden but still useful. Whether it's shopping, voting, or just keeping secrets, Aleo has got your back. So the next time you worry about your privacy info floating around on the internet, just remember, Aleo is there to keep it safe.